Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. Today I am going to take one another question which is related to the Java 8 Stream API, and these type of questions are also asked maximum in as an interview question. So you have to keep in mind that once you will see the video, just after that you just practice it, because without practice you will be failed to remember it. How many times you can write these methods, these codes, these classes, then you can easily remember it. So our today's question is, we have to find out from a given list that what are three maximum numbers and what are the three minimum numbers. But we have to keep in mind that we need to follow the Java 8. We don't need to do this question by any traditional approach. So suppose there are some numbers like 68, 45, 12, 75, 31, 89, 56, 15 and 24. So we have to find out whatever the three maximum numbers and three minimum numbers are there. Once you will find out for the three, definitely you will be find out it for another minimum three, as well as if you want to find out 2, 3, 4, whatever you want, you can do it. So without delay, let's get started. So here I have created one class which is max 3 minimum 3 numbers. So first let me create the main method, because directly I'm going to create inside the main method, right? So my point is, what we need to do, we need to find out minimum and maximum three numbers. So first of all we have to think that how can we do these all things, right? So let me create the list first. Integer type list I have created. Yeah, this list name I am providing number list. Okay, or nums, anything you want to do, you can do it, right? But it should be meaningful. Now I'm writing it as arrays dot as list. Why I'm using arrays dot as list? Because whatever the number we will provide, it will convert it to the, it will be added as a list. Directly I'm providing, I'm not creating and adding through the add method, right? So let me take some numbers. So some numbers: 68, 45, 12, 68, 45, 12, 75, 31, 89, 75, 31, 89, 56, 15 and 24, 56, 15 and 24. So what you have to do, how you can think about this, right? First of all you need to think how can you solve the question, right? Even if you are solving by the traditional approach, then also you need to find out how you will solve this question. So see, if any, so see, if certain numbers have given to you, like 15 numbers, 10 numbers, 100 numbers, so you have to find out maximum and minimum three. It means what? Maximum and minimum means you have to first sort this. What solution is coming currently in your mind? It should be, you have to first sort the list. Suppose anyone has given you number up to 100 in unordered way, and he is asking you to solve this question and find out minimum and maximum number. So what should be the three minimum numbers? 1, 2, 3, and same as the maximum three numbers, that would be 98, 99 and 100. So how can you find it? You can find it out by the sorting. So first you need to sort it. But before going to the coding mode, let me give you one important information which is related to my YouTube playlist. So I have created these kind of questions, two playlists I have created here. One is in English and one is in Hindi. So each question I will cover in both the languages, because certain users, certain my subscribers, they understand only English, and some understand only Hindi. So whatever is comfortable to you, you can go to my playlist and you can watch related to your comfortable language. So I am trying to cover this in both the languages. If you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because your subscription is, because this is completely free of cost, and it is giving motivation to me to create such kind of important videos which will help you to the interviews like this. Share this video to your friends who are preparing for the interview or who are learning the Java 8. So just be with the video till last. We will be having some important concept. So now let me come back to the video, how we can do this. So first of all, here I have created the number list. So my point is, do you want to save it, these three numbers, minimum numbers and three maximum numbers, or directly you can print it? So for the practice purpose, I am just finding it out, and then I'm just printing it, right? So first of all, if you are using the Java 8 Stream API, so your first point is, what you need to do, you need to first create the stream of your list. Whatever the list is there, you need to find it out, the stream. After finding out the stream, what you need to do, you need to sort these numbers. So first I am just sorting these numbers by the sorted method. Sorted method is very easy to do it, the sorting, right? And after that, what I need to do after the sorting, because we are performing the operation in the stream, we have one another method which is called limit, means how many numbers you want to show to the user or you want to return. So when you are returning, you want to accept these numbers, so you can create another list of integer and you can store it, you can collect it by the toList method, right? But here directly I'm printing, so what can I use? In previous videos also I have used like for each method, right? Directly I'm printing system dot out, and through the method reference I am calling the println, right? So this is the better approach, just to print it, because if you don't want to save it for further use, I'm just printing it. Let me give one simple message to the user: 3 maximum. So this is sorted in ascending order. By default this method will sort in ascending order. So 3 minimum numbers. This is very easy question. Once you will see it, definitely you can do it, right? So sometimes I take hard questions, sometime moderate questions, sometime easy questions. So this is in easy question criteria. Let me right click, run as Java application. So once you will see as the output, the minimum three numbers are 12, 15 and 24, right? These are the minimum three numbers. Okay. After that, what we need to do? After that, we need to find it out whatever the maximum numbers are there, right? So as I told, if you have 100 numbers, so 1, 2, 3 you got, right? You need to find out the last numbers. So how can you find out the last number? That you have to think. So you can do like a reverse sorting. If you will do reverse sorting, then you will find out 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, like that, in reverse order, in descending order. So same as we can do with our list, number list dot stream dot sorted. Sorted method again I have called to sort it. But what we need to do, we need to tell to the compiler that by using comparator dot reverse order method, by using comparator, because Java 8 is providing us the facility, right? So that we can easily do our operations. So here what I am doing, I am just passing comparator dot reverse order method to make it in the descending order. Then what I need to do, then again I need to provide the limit. So I am providing the limit because we need to find out the three numbers, right? If you want to find out the 5, you can provide the 5 itself. If you want to find out the 10, you can provide the 10 itself. Whatever the limit is there, you need to provide it here. Then what I am doing here, I am just providing dot for each. I am calling this for each method, and by the method reference I am printing it, right? Let me give the proper message here once. So system dot out dot println. I hope you are getting the concept how I am doing this. My request from you is, just after watching the video, practice once. Once you will practice, you will get the concept strongly, right? In concrete level in your mind. So just right clicking, and then three maximum numbers are 89, 75 and 68. So in this way you can think and you can solve your question. Now if you like this video, then do like and share it to your friends. Comment if you have any doubt. Comment that how can you store this in a list, right? And one more important question I am providing you. Suppose there are repeated numbers, like first number is 2 times, then you have to take the only unrepeated numbers, means unique numbers you have to take. How can you do it? Just comment this. Try yourself. If you have any doubt, I will cover it. Comment and tell me that you have doubt how to find out. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and so that you will get the notification from my latest video. And till then, we'll meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep coding. Thanks for watching.